Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing some setups in my B6 Stalogy, which is my everyday planner. I have a few pages here of stickers from Isis Ella Jewels that are in the same color family that I'll be using. And I also have some washi tape here from Cookie Sticker Co. And as I'm preparing to put down the washi, I decided I wanted to use something else. So I pulled this green washi, Stardust washi from Simply Gilded, and I'm using that in combination with some of the washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. I'm also laying the washi on the edge of the page instead of using it as a header and a footer. And as you've seen, I've already drawn a weekly box that I'll be using for health and fitness. Since I'm not doing the body book anymore, I'm using that 7-day grid, I guess I can call it, as a way to keep note of health and fitness and still be able to pull that out of my everyday content easily. And it is a bit of a headache to draw it every week, but for now, I'm going to continue to do it and see how it goes. So this is the drip washi from Cookie Sticker Co. with the animal print that I'm using as a header. So on the page with the body book information, I will be doing a header and a footer with the washi tape. And I'm using this large heart sticker from Isis Ella Jewels on the body book page. And I'm going to also use some of my basic boxes. All the basic boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Unlimited. If you're interested in joining the Scrapcraftastic Patreon, the link is in the description box below. You can go over and check out the different tiers and find one that would work for you. So here I'm using some of the deco and quote stickers from Isis Ella Jewels. I do have a discount code for Isis Ella Jewels. It will be in the description box below. And I'm doing 2 days per page, except for the weekend. I am going to split the weekend. So I'm dividing each page in half with the washi tape. And I also pulled some neutral colored florals that I'd used, I think it was for the hot chocolate kit that I created back around Christmas. And I had these florals left over and I felt like they would go with this color scheme. So I'm going to incorporate a few of those as well. Here I am pulling off the days of the week so that I can go ahead and put those in place. And even though I'm doing this as a voiceover and time lapsing the video, if you feel like it's too fast, let me know in the comments below. I try to keep most of it fairly slow, so just let me know your opinion in the comments below. So here I'm just trimming up the floral to make sure it fits in the corner properly. So one of these kits has some journaling style stickers, so like collage pieces, pieces with a torn look. So I'm layering those with some basic boxes. And I also realized I'm off frame quite a bit. I think I've changed the position of my camera or something and it just keeps happening. I don't know. I gotta try and get it back the way it was. That was another quote from one of the sticker sheets. And I'm going to use this big circular quote with the doll in it to spread across 2 pages. that's something that I am kind of interested in and doing a lot of lately, is cutting the stickers in half or just cutting them and placing a bit on both pages. So instead of just putting everything on the border of the page, I feel like if I put it directly in the center or on that binding line, that it still leaves me a lot of space to write. Here I'm using some of the full boxes. I really love these full boxes, and a lot of them have quotes on them too. But again, the color scheme is perfect for what I wanted to do this week. And I'm using the deco stickers, the journaling stickers. I'm using as much of it as I can. I'm trying to get over the save the stickers, because you might need them later. I'm trying to just live in the moment and use all the stickers because I'm constantly creating new stickers anyway. So it's best to just use them. Here I'm using days of the week. These are from Piper Paper Company, but they are no longer in business. And then I'm just using a few other Piper Paper Company stickers to note different tasks throughout the week. So I've just gone through my scripts book and pulled out everything that I need for the week, and I'll put those in place. And then I remembered I didn't put the dates down. So I'm using the sticker book from the Paper Studio. The little green date dots matched perfectly, so I chose those to add the dates to the days. And just going back to the previous week to note an Amazon delivery. I put the workout sticker on the regular days of the week. I probably should put that in the body book, but I think I need to figure out a different type of sticker because I just didn't want it to take up too much space. And I'm using these little dots to note appointment days. And that is it for this weekly setup. This is what it looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so we are moving on to the next week. I was just showing you the cover. The pink cover that I'm using is from Printpression. And of course, you can get a B6 Stalogy on Amazon. I will link to the Stalogy in the description box below. So here I am drawing out the body book grid for the week. This is the week of St. Patrick's Day, so I am using the collab kit from Scrapcraftastic and COCO'S Vision. If you didn't get the kit already, COCO'S Vision does have it available as a digital, so it might be a little too late to order the physical version, but you can get the digital. And if you are a member of the Scrapcraftastic Patreon, you already have access to these to download and use them. It includes the mini kit, which are the quarter pages you see there, and it also includes that full sheet with the doll on it, with the two dolls on it, and these header and footer pieces that I'm using on the bodybook page. This doll is from COCO'S Vision. I saved her. I thought she would be perfect for the week of St. Patrick's Day, and she works great in that space beside the bodybook. I'm adding a little gold with this gold scalloped washi tape from Simply Gilded. And then I created these florals to use for St. Patrick's Day. And they also work great for the green and gold prompt for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge. So if you need something for that, these florals would be great. They're available to Scrapcraftastic patrons depending on what tier you're a member of. So I'm kind of going to go all out with the florals for this weekly setup. And I'm doing a mixture of daily pages and 2 days or 3 days per page actually. For the weekend, I put everything for the weekend on one page. So I'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday together. You'll see. I wanted to have daily pages, but I didn't like how it was going to flow at the end of the week if I did that. So I kind of switched it up. But again, I wanted to use lots of florals, which is the reason why I went with the daily pages or tried to go with the daily pages so that I would have more room to decorate. And this also shows that even if your layout doesn't lend itself to using a kit, so like an Erin Condren setup or a Happy Planner setup where you have the structured boxes, if you're freeform planning, you can still use kits. You can still incorporate them in your from scratch spreads or your freeform spreads. There is a way. And you'll see me use a lot of the kit stickers here, especially the full boxes, and I'm able to incorporate those boxes and blend them in with the other decorative elements on the page. Now here I am putting on the date dots. Normally I would probably do this before I put the days of the week down. I don't know why I didn't do it, but I probably should have because I mess up the dates and I have to go back a couple times to fix it. I don't know what I was thinking, what I was doing, but I messed it up. So I had to redo it. As you see here, I'm going back and removing and moving them around to get them in the right order and the right position. So here I'm going to start laying down the full boxes from the mini kits. And again, they blend in really well with the florals. So it's kind of got like a St. Patrick's Day garden feel to it to me. I love the garden feel where it's like florals and greenery all around. I don't know, it just feels like I'm walking into a St. Patty's Day garden when I look at these pages. I really like them. Here I'm fixing the numbers again because I still had them wrong. So here I'm using some of the mini kit half boxes to add more deco to the pages. I'm using the weekend banner. And then I'm also laying down some of the half boxes and quarter boxes on days that I know I have something going on. So here I am using the hard scalloped die cut washi from Simply Gilded in gold. This was kind of an afterthought, but I think it works well with the other elements on the pages. And it's, you know, green and gold for St. Patrick's Day. The only thing about that washi is that it has to be cut. I can't tear it. So it kind of gives me a little bit of a problem. But I do like the way that it looks once it's down on the page, so it's worth the effort. All right, so here I am doing the center of the page thing again. So I cut this floral piece in half and I'm placing half on each page. So after checking my work, I am going to go ahead and put the days of the week in the body book grid. And I'm using one of the Tool metallic pens to write in the days of the week and also add the dates. The only thing about the metallic pens is that they don't show up very well. You kind of have to hold the paper at a certain angle to see them well, but I still love the way they look. This is a script book. I think it's planner words from CHELA Plan, and I'm trying to use some of the scripts that I can on the spread. And I'm putting down a birthday sticker on the 15th. That is my oldest daughter's birthday. So I wanted to note that in my everyday planner. And I'm using a little bit more of the deco from the full sheet that was part of the collab. And that is it for the week of St. Patrick's Day. So again, let me know what you think in the comments below. Here's a closer look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.